If you're starting a new YouTube channel or a channel that you really want to start from scratch, I would say this: make sure to do those videos really bad. Do bad videos, make that content the way you want to do it bad. I know you would say, like, what do you mean, Carla? In case you didn't know, my friend, my name is Carla, okay? And you're super welcome here to my channel. This is Creatives Mode, and definitely this is a space for you, my friend, who's creating, who maybe is aspiring content creator, so beginner maybe. Definitely you can subscribe right now, because it's all about content creation that I tend to share in this channel. And once you subscribe, of course, you can get notified for much more tips and tutorials that I'll be posting every week. But something that we have to be honest, and I'm gonna say like this: it's been 5 years of content creation in general, but I have to say it completely. I guess YouTube is one of the best platforms for you, my friend, to experiment to the point of make those videos really bad, and there won't be any problem. Nobody will tell you, you know what, you messed up, you messed it up, you are not having the best light, maybe you're not having the best camera right now, maybe, oh, I know that you're doing that video with an iPhone, with an Android, with a smartphone, okay? It doesn't matter at the end of the day. The idea is that you can create, of course, through video content, through that content creation. And if it's on YouTube, then the idea is to connect, because a lot of people right now, maybe they start the channel and they have so many doubts, and they tend to be probably too perfectionist, which is not a problem. But me personally, I am not perfectionist at all. And I have to admit it, when I started my other channel, okay, which it was pretty much education and coaching, it was all about teaching practically. I'm like, should I start it? It has to be well designed and everything. Yes and no, right? And funny thing that I do remember clearly, it was that the video that I would think that it would never go viral, or maybe would not have enough or exaggerated amount of views, that was the video that I was not that super, oh my God, with the makeup thing. That was the video that probably I was even making a mistake, or whatever mistake that I said it in front of the camera. So it was funny, because the idea and the moral of the story of making those bad videos is that you never know when is the time, where is going to be specifically that video is going to work so well. You just don't know. I mean, I can say it again from experience, and definitely if you resonate with this topic, you can like this video right now. And of course, share it in the comment section. Let me know if you have a YouTube channel already. Maybe you just started already, or maybe you can put the niche, the topic that you tend to talk about in your YouTube channel, so I can know who's present in this channel again. But I mean, we gotta talk about it. Something that a lot of the new YouTubers, let's put it like this, beginner content creators, beginner YouTubers, they tend to think, well, I'm supposed to be an expert. No, I'm supposed to have all the skills in the microphone, in the camera, in front of a camera. And the answer is no. Like I said, when I mean to say make those bad videos, as bad, it doesn't matter. Like I said again, here in this platform and you on YouTube, I don't think no one is here to judge you, first of all. And if there is like a stupid comment, because I mean, let's be honest, there's always going to be somebody who's just, you know, a little bit crazy or whatever, who can do it and write something about it. But who cares? Who cares? Because at the end of the day, it's your channel, is your content creation, is your journey, and best part of it is your process. And I have to say it because it happened to me, like I said again. And 3 things that I have to share with you, my friend, definitely, is that when I mean to say do and, you know, make those bad videos, like I was saying again, yes, it could be you don't need any microphone. Right now, with a microphone, of course, yes, but you don't need a specific microphone. You do need this type of microphone for this type of videos, probably. I could say that Maybe in the case of a podcast. Yeah, probably at a podcast, it sounds much better. The quality tends to be, of course, much more better, 100 more times. But if you just started, maybe it's a vlogging thing. Maybe you would need a vlogging camera, which is totally different. And maybe the microphone, but the little ones. And there's so much gadgets and so many products that I can share about that in another video, of course, right? But that's not the point. Maybe you're just sharing some tips. Maybe you want to talk about your personal life in the good sense and relate it to, trying to connect with your audience, with women, maybe with men, with fitness, who knows? You don't need that microphone. Who cares? The point is that you started talking already in front of that camera. The point is that you started teaching already, probably with no fear. So forget about the best microphone. Forget about maybe the microphone that you needed so much ASAP. And maybe you don't even have the amount of money that probably right now, you just decided, but you don't have it. So who cares? You do not need that microphone, like I said. But if you do want to invest, of course, do it. Do it because little by little, you're increasing the quality of your videos. The second point, it'll be pretty much no edits. And why do I mean to say no edits? Not all the videos, they need to be edited. If you take a look in general on YouTube channel, there is a percentage of videos that they don't have any edition, literally speaking, no edition, no cuts, no nothing, and the person keeps talking just like right now I'm doing it, and probably they never made a mistake. Maybe you are super, well spoken, you don't have any fears or whatever, you're comfortable with that topic to the point that you don't even need to edit the video. So unless it's a topic like, oh my God, it's related to graphic design or something that you really need to learn some skills and trying to master those skills so you can show it through that video, that could be another exception. But in general, there is no need to edit if you really don't have to, unless, you make some mistakes and you're talking in the camera too much. Of course, you can edit them. I mean, that's common sense, right? And the third one, it'll be that you have to consider that at the end of the day, practice makes perfect. And I'm saying this to the point that it's not about how much quality sometimes you give in front of a camera, but it's all about the quantity that you need to build up to reach to the level of that quality. Again, quality versus quantity, it's going to work depending on the situation, depending on the niche, depending maybe on the type of quality that you have. Now, why would I say this? If you know clearly, and this is my experience again, that you are missing something, that you have to get it in front of a camera, you're still missing much more practice, you're still missing that part that you know that you need to speak more and you need to extend yourself probably. Maybe it's a topic that you don't want to stop talking, then practice so you won't get any mistakes, so you don't need to edit that video. Who knows? Maybe it's teaching, it's coaching, and probably you need to earn little by little that authority through, in your channel with your audience through video content creation. That's another case. And either way, if you do not possess 100% of skills when it comes to speak in front of a camera, like I said, it will come. They will come maybe daily, on a daily basis, maybe every week, maybe every month, and you will see results, my friend. And the third part, an extra tip, I would say, if you do possess like a business online, who knows, any type of small business, yes, practice and make sure to prepare before those videos. Speak in the camera, do like a practice, stay in practice mode, right? The way they call it now. And then put record, press record, like they tend to say. A lot of coaches, they say that because it's true. If you do not press record on time, you're never gonna start it. So my tip would be, if you're a business owner, maybe you need to practice before, check those mistakes, of course. Maybe you're showing a product, who knows, or a special service on your YouTube channel. Yes, make sure to practice, make sure to prepare yourself, the topic and everything, and then you speak in front of that camera with all the confidence that you must feel about it too. So that'll be pretty much kind of the only exception that you should consider to, those bad videos. So definitely you can let me know in the comment section, have you done those bad videos? Do you think what's better, quality or quantity at the same time? Lots of different niches, lots of different topics that at the end of the day, some of them, they do require quantity. They do require also quality. So it's a huge topic, of course. Let me know in the comment section, which one do you go for quantity or for quality? And of course, do not forget to like this video. You can share it with another person, with another friend, and you're completely invited again to subscribe. That is for free, so you can get much more notifications for much more tips and tutorials that I'll be sharing. My name is Carla, and I see you in the next one.